Hey folks, Tony coming at you. Here we got ST824. Picked this up yesterday for 40 bucks. Need some carb work and some paint. Everything else pretty even the blade pretty dang good. I scrapped 2 or 3 of these already. These are MTDs. These are all free. Here's another free one. Poland. Good coat of courage. No deck. Actually, most of these are free. There's the parts mower. I have the deck right there. A yard bug. This is free junk. Some push mowers, snowblower I fixed. Seen a thing of that. A couple mini bikes. Another mini bike back here. This was free also. I had to fix some things in it. Pretty simple. Paid 160 bucks for that. It runs. I gotta weld some foot pegs on it. Fixed the front fender. See, there was another MTD here. I scrapped it. So Craftsman. What is that? Bug-eyed Murray. Ugly POS. I got a Honda. Rough shape. That's a wheel weight to an errand. But she does have a liquid cooled 2-cylinder that I'm pretty sure is good. Well, I'm hoping it's good. I just fixed this one this morning. I picked it up a couple days ago. I had put front tires on it. The safety was bad. This safety was bad. The brake was stuck on. The brake was stuck on. It wouldn't move. And I got this for free. I said the starter was bad, but that wasn't the case either. I also had to put a fuel pump on it. Yep. Oh, yes, the errands, the 12. It broke down, but I fixed the carb on it. Had to put a new starter on it. Good to go. Husqvarna is another free one. Actually, they're all free. Walmart special right there. Honda has a rod knock. A lot of good parts. Poland Pro. I haven't looked at it yet, but it's a brake, so it should run. We got another Craftsman over there. And another Toro wheel horse. Another one there. My plow tractor worked out pretty good this year. Something else I got for junk. There's another Aaron's GT right there, GT17. Another 42-inch Poland Pro. That just needs carb cleaning. Right here is the old Ford. You might have seen him video back, but that's a Ford. That's the Murray where the hood opens like a car. You can see the square body right there. That's one of those Murrays that the hood opens. That everything works on that, but it has the crank seal for the bottom is bad. There's my $650 or $600 bucket loader. That's a hell of a deal. I mean, once I repaint this and do a couple lines, I mean the bucket, I could still get probably $2,000 out of the bucket around here, just for the bucket. So, all right, we got another Ariens here. That's one I paid $100 for. It had a blown 14, which is fine because I have another Ariens right there with a 10 on it. That was a gear shift one, which is not very common, but it had a good plow on it, and the engine's good. So I'm going to use that and put the engine on this one. Then I got an 18 right there, Ariens. Bunch of push mowers. Lots of push mowers. This one, maybe I don't know if I can sort of picture, but this one, a tree fell on it. A tree fell on it, and I went and bought a hood for it, and that's a nice tractor. I can't get in there right now, but yeah, just gotta paint that pulley from the water sitting in it. That's a red. I think this only has 200 and something hours on it. Tree took it out. That's a parts mower. I think it has a good single 17 or 14. There's an Agway MTD Craftsman. I said all these mowers like this, I didn't pay for any of these. These are all free. But 3,000. We got an old Cub Cadet here, 1315, which is nice. Under here we got some the Ariens, couple Ariens snow blowers and tillers. Got an old Lawn Chief here. I do have another spot too. I actually got another like 15 mowers at another spot, a golf cart, and some other stuff. But this Lawn Chief right here is an old 1257 wheel horse that somebody painted black. I got that running before the season was over. You see, kind of cool, really cool tractor. Ching. This POS. This is number, I don't know, 4 or 5. I got like 6 of, I don't know. I scrap them. I take the engine off and I just scrap. I won't even sell this to somebody. That's junk. Here's my Craftsman 18. It's a good tractor. Deck's all rotted out. 6-speed. I don't recall if this is the high. No, I like this one because it's not the high-low. It's the regular Peerless transmission. Not the Peerless 700 or whatever it is with the high-low. Weed eater. DLT 4000. Funny part about this mower is I sold it 3-4 years ago. Completely redid it, put a good engine in it, fixed it all up, sold it with a bagger, and then over the winter I got a call and I got the same mower back again for free. So I'll fix it up and sell it again. John Deere, no deck, good hood, not broken, not anything. The rest of the tractor's pretty much whooped. The Craftsman, well, it's a Kmart brand. Pretty much the same thing as that gray one. That's a cool tractor. And we got a couple of these Craftsman's 1000 there, 1000 there, 1000, 1000. Then Good old Toro. But yeah, that's pretty much. Like I said, I got more at my other spot. Which I got another zero turn. What was it? A Troy-Bilt zero turn. This actually ran. I had a Troy-Bilt zero turn given to me, along with a what is it? A 312-8 or a 310-8 wheel horse with a snowblower. But I come up with a lot of MTD deck. Yeah. Alright folks, sorry about the roughness of this video. Oh yeah, this is a couple snow blowers for the wheel horse. And then if you go over here, let's see what else I have in here. Oh yeah, I tried to do this. Set it down for a minute. Then we got the Dixon zero turn. This thing runs good. And then I got that for free too. The Dixie chopper. I drove both of these in here. The drive-on plates for an Aaron's deck OEM. One of these decks. Engines got a lot of twin cylinders. Yeah, this is cool. I mean, that's 12, but you can put anything in there. You know, it's your basic L head, flat head. Nothing spectacular. And the Dixie chopper is oil cooled. Pretty cool machine. I might actually sell these this year and just keep the other one I got, but I don't know. Alright folks, sorry about this unprofessional video here, but yeah, show you a few of my tractors, and hopefully next time I post a video, half of these are gone. Alright folks, sorry I jumped around quite a bit, but until next time, Stoney out.